Chaco chicken. This is her mom, and these are other two, and others are in this goat. See this goat. What he is doing? This is my God, always loves me. And this is my second God. This is my second God. She is female and she is very cute, very lovable God, very lovable God. And these are my chickens. You see, this God is very lovable. And you see, this God has come to me. This God love petting. If you pet them, they loves you. And this is my third God. This is a castrated God. This is a castrated God. You see this chicken? র পরে 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 you see one good food for chickens. Then eat. He is coughing. This is God is very afraid of people. These are my chickens. Gods. This is mom chicken.